Nawala ang tinik ng mga rosas. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapit pandasal muna tayo. Naramdaman mo na ba ang tinding pagmamahal sa Diyos na ayaw mong magkasala? Yan ang karanasan ng maraming mga santo at isa na dyan si Saint Francis of Assisi. For him, sin wasn't just breaking rules. It was betraying the God he loved. One night, Francis was tempted with doubt. Imbis na magdasal o ilihis ang kanyang atensyon sa ibang bagay, radikal ang ginawa niya upang labanan ang tukso. He took off his clothes and rolled into a thorny rose bush para parusahan ang kanyang katawan. But something miraculous happened. When his body touched the thorns, they disappeared. Nawala ng tinik ang mga rosas. At hanggang ngayon, these rare species of thornless roses still grow in the garden of the Basilica of St. Mary the Angels in Assisi. Hindi tinuturo ni San Francisco na saktan natin ang ating sarili o mag-self-harm. What Francis teaches us is to do what it takes to protect our relationship with God and follow Him. His radical love for God spurred him to take extraordinary means to avoid sin. And God honored Francis's desire. The Lord transformed what could have hurt him into something harmless, even beautiful. Yan ang ginagawa ng grasya ng Diyos. Kapag ibig nating sundin siya at gawin ang tama, tinutulungan niya tayong mamuhay ng tapat sa Kanya. He gives us grace that's greater than the temptations we face. Tayong magdasal. Lord, I receive your grace to fight temptation and to live uprightly for you. Amen.